In today's video, I'm going to teach you Webflow CMS explained. We're going to walk through the basic workflow for creating CMS content in Webflow and then connecting that content to your site design. This is especially useful if you're building things like blogs, portfolios, directories, team pages, or any section of a site that needs repeatable content. Start by opening your project in the Webflow Designer. Once you're inside the designer, go to the CMS panel and click Create New Collection. A collection is where your structured content will live, so think of it as a database for one type of content. Next, choose how you want to set up that collection. You can select a template such as blog posts if you want a faster starting point, or you can choose a custom configuration if you need more control. After that, define your collection fields and create the collection. These fields are the pieces of content each item will contain, like a title, image, summary, rich text, or category. Setting these up carefully makes everything easier later. Once the collection is created, open it inside the CMS panel. From here, you can click New Item to manually add content and fill in your custom fields one by one. If you already have a larger set of content prepared, you can use import to upload it in bulk with a CSV file. And if you're still in the design phase, you can click Add 5 items to instantly generate AI dummy content, which is a quick way to test layouts before real content is ready. As you add items, save them as draft if they're not ready yet, or stage them for your next site publish when they're complete. This helps you manage content without pushing unfinished updates live. Now that the content exists, go to the Add panel using the plus icon on the left sidebar. Drag a collection list onto the canvas. Then click that list and connect it to the CMS collection you want in the settings panel. This tells Webflow which content should populate the list. Inside the first item box, add regular static elements like a heading or an image. Then in each element's settings, check Get Text From or Get Image From and link that element to the correct CMS field. Webflow will then repeat that structure automatically for every item in the collection. After that, design the detail page, also known as the collection page. This is the individual page template for each CMS item. Finally, use filtering and sorting to control how content appears. Then publish your site when everything looks right. That's the core of how Webflow CMS works. Create content, connect it to design, and publish it dynamically.